Hello everyone, this is Amvesh, your computer science and IT lecturer. Here I will explain how to write a Java program to find the reverse of a number by taking input from the console. So here I have imported scanner class which lies under java.util package. So I want to make this program interactive. For that reason I have imported scanner class. So here I have initialized a variable that is reverse. Okay, reverse equal to 0, which is of the variable reverse is of integer type. Next, I have created an object named user input. So the constructor of scanner class required that from where we have to provide input. So here I have mentioned system.in since we are going to provide input from the console. Okay. In the next step, I have written system.out.println. Enter the number whose reverse you want to find. That means we are asking the number from the user whose reverse we want to find. So the user have to enter the number from the keyboard. In the next step, I have written string required number equal to user input dot next. The next function is your next function is the library function. No need to define it by the user. Okay. So the next function, it will take the input whatever we try to input from the console. Next is, as you know that whatever input, whatever data we provide from the console, everything is treated as string data type. Okay. For that reason, we need to convert the string data into integer data type. So we have to use the functions parse integer. Okay. So what we have to write, I have taken one variable name as number where I have to store the number. Okay. So to convert it in the form of integer, I have written here integer number equal to integer sparse integer, and the argument is the required number that I have said before. Okay. Next, I have written the logic which is required to convert the integer number what we have provided from the keyboard into that means we have to convert it into its reverse. Okay. So this one is the logic. Okay. So what you have to write here, I have used while loop. Okay. So while the condition is number not equal to 0. So the loop will execute when the number greater than 0. Okay. So within a while loop, what we have taken? We have taken a variable which is of integer type. The variable name is remainder. Okay. So integer remainder equal to number modulus 10. Okay. So we have saved the integer number in the variable number, and by writing number modulus 10 we will get the remainder. Okay. In the next step I have written reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. So already I have initialized the value reverse. Reverse into 10 in the first iteration will be 0 plus remainder, means whatever remainder we have got. So after adding these two values, that will be assigned to the variable reverse. Okay. In the next step, that is number equal to number by 10, we will get the quotient of the number after dividing 10, and that number will be assigned in the variable number. Okay. So this value will be used as the original value in the next step. Okay. In the next iteration. Clear? And finally, after some iteration, that means whenever the number will be 0, the iteration will be stopped and we will get our required value. Finally, the last line, which is system.out.println, it will provide us the number in the output. Okay. So here I have also shown you the output that we will get after running this code. So try to run this code in your system. Okay. Thank you.